Okay, so the current question is from JEE ADV 2022. It is based on a particular format, and the format is A-X and AX dx. AX is raised to power n. So how do we do this question? See this as fx, f dash x, and fx raised to power n dx. What we have to do is either this is integral of this, or this is derivative of this. Let's assume an example. If this is x raised to power 7 and x raised to power 8, if we integrate this, we can get this. We'll get this. We can worry about constants later, but we are getting this. And if we differentiate this, we'll get this. So we can conclude that if we need to, if we want to form this kind of expression, degree of this polynomial and degree of this polynomial, the difference should be 1. So to do this, either we have to take something common and then uh, multiply it, then it will make such a form of f dash x fx raised to power n dx. So now let's proceed with the question. Okay, now what we can see, the degree here is 3m and here is 2m. The difference between both degrees is not 1, it's m. Then what we'll do is we'll take x common from this. After taking x common, we'll get x 3m minus 1, laws of exponents, x 2m minus 1 plus x m minus 1, and it is same cause there is no change here. Now x raised to power m with raised to power of minus 1 by m is same as x. To multiply it directly here, we have to convert it into this form. It will be same as before. After multiplying this in this, what we'll get is 2x 3m plus 3x 2m plus 6xm. Now the difference between both the degrees is 1. 3m minus 3m minus 1, this will be cancelled out, change sign will change, it will 1. Now all we have to do is to assume this term as t, and then dt will be 6m x 3m minus 1 plus 6m x 2m minus 1 plus 6m x m minus 1. 6m, that is x m minus 1. dx. Let me shift it a little bit. Hmm. 6m x m minus 1 dx. Then we'll just find we'll just find the value of dx, whether it is dt by, we'll take 6m common. After taking 6m common, we'll be left with x 3m minus 1 plus x 2m minus 1 plus x m minus 1. Then we'll put this value of dx here. After doing that, x 3 minus 1 plus x 2m minus 1 plus x m minus 1. This is t, so we'll write as t raised to power half, sorry, 1 by m. Dx is dt by 6m x 3m minus 1 plus x 2m minus 1 plus x m minus 1. This will be cancelled out. This is constant, so it will be out of integral now. This is the final integral. So after integrating it, it will be this t 1 1 by m plus 1 is 1 plus m by m upon 1 plus m by m plus c. Now we'll put the value of t here. Value of t is this divided by 1 by m. Not this. This 1 plus m by m plus c. This is the final answer, or we can just factorize, rearrange it a little bit. This is the final answer.